Magandang gabi, Pilipinas. Hello, konnichiwa. Wadira wa mano baba. It's Masunga John here again, and today I'm going to make sisig. Sisig is a Filipino dish, and I've prepared all the ingredients here, and this is the meat I'm gonna use. I have deep fried the meat already, and now I will finish up chopping the meat before we start cooking. Now let me finish chopping it up. It's very crispy. Okay, done. Now here are the ingredients of sisig. The meat itself, deep fried, and it's crispy. Onion, green pepper, garlic, a little ginger, and peppers, green and red, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and black pepper. Now let's start cooking. First, we are going to use margarine. I have put margarine in. The margarine is in. So the first step is to add margarine into the frying pan, and next we are going to add half of the onions. Of the onions, stir fry the onions, then the meat. The meat, stir fry it, then the green peppers. And the chili. Then the garlic and the ginger. Then black pepper. add some oyster sauce. Some oyster sauce. Soy sauce. Last, the rest of the onions. The rest of the onions. And some lemon. So now it's time to taste our sisig. Okay, let's taste. Super yummy and sarap. So please subscribe to my channel. After watching this video, it's Masunga John, and today I made sisig. Kwaheri, paalam, goodbye, Janin.